Squiggles Stander instructional video. How to unpack and assemble the Squiggles Stander. What's in the box? All parts will be contained in polythene bags, with each one clearly labelled. Carefully remove them from the boxes and check you have all the parts you have ordered. A number of adjustments will require the use of a multi-tool and a spanner, which you will find supplied in the box. To unfold, release the levers shown by pressing them together. Rotate the rear tubes until the levers engage in the locked position. To fold the chassis, simply reverse this procedure. Attaching stander to pivot chassis. To attach the stander to the pivot chassis, pull the locking pin out, slide the central spine into the receiving bracket until it is fully engaged, release the pin, allowing it to snap back into place. Attaching the headrest. To attach the Lecky headrest, first open the locking lever by pressing the safety button and pulling the handle. Then, slide the stem into the receiving bracket on the central spine, set to the desired position, and secure using the locking handle. Inserting attachment bolt. Insert the required attachment bolt along with the retention plate. Place a rubber lid on both the top and bottom of the sandal. Fasten using the 4 screws provided. To remove or replace the attachment bolt, reverse this process. Attaching the sandals. Place the sandals so that the attachment bolt goes through the slot in the footplate. To secure, on the underside of the footplate, place the rubber washer, followed by the metal washer, and then the knob onto the attachment bolt. To position the sandals, simply loosen the knob under the footplate, select the position you require, and refasten the knob. Assemble the tray. To attach the arms to the tray brackets, loosen the knob, place the moulding to the inside of the tray plate, replace the knob on the outside, and secure. Repeat on the other side. Attaching the tray in prone and supine. The tray is attached to the stander by inserting the tubes into the receiving brackets. Once the tray is located in position, the knob should be tightened. The cutout of the tray should always be facing the child. To attach the tray whilst in the prone version, ensure that the tray receiving tubes are at their maximum height.